Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Saraswati Puja is just right around the corner, and for this year's Saraswati Puja look, I decided to create this beautiful warm toned copper smoky eye look and paired it with a beautiful brownish pinkish nude lipstick. And I think this is a perfect look for all your red, yellow and orange sarees, and this can be a perfect daytime look as well as nighttime look, or you can definitely wear this look as a wedding guest as well. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your support means a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm using my Wet n Wild micro brow pencil in the shade deep brown, and I am drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. This particular pencil is affordable, it works really well, and the next one is also my favorite, but this one is even cheaper. It has a spoolie on the other side, and with the spoolie I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I am taking my e.l.f. 16R Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I am just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. If you are a beginner and if you want to skip this step, you totally can. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. You can use any eyeshadow primer that you have in your collection. And now I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild, and it is my absolute favorite sponge. To set the concealer, I am taking this Flower Beauty Light Illusion powder in the shade Beige, and I am just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I am applying an eyeshadow guard which I got from Amazon. I will link it in the description bar down below. And now I am taking Roxanne from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, and with this large fluffy blending brush again from Morphe, I am applying it as my transition color. This brush is, I think, Morphe M441 brush, and it came with my Morphe James Charles brush kit. And today most of the brushes that I'll be using are from Morphe, and you can see I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Now I am taking this particular shade from the palette, and with this brush again from Morphe, I am applying it on my outer V area as well as on my crease. I am really surprised to see how much I love this eyeshadow palette till today. It is something different. The formula is very creamy, buttery, easy to work with, and it is perfect for beginners. And look at the pigmentation, it's just out of the world. Morphe is now available on Nykaa, and I highly recommend you getting this eyeshadow palette. And I'm applying the same color on my eyelid as well. It will create that ombre effect, and it will create that base for my lid shade. And I'm not applying the color all over on my eyelid, I'm just dragging it slightly. And now I am taking Cheap, it's a dark brown shade, and I'm applying it on my outer V area just to have that depth and definition on my outer V area. It will also give that smokiness which I want for today's look. And again, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. Before going in with my lid shade, I took the transition shade with the same brush, and I'm just blending everything out one last time so that there is no harshness. Taking Firework, which is a beautiful copper shade, and I'm applying it right here on the middle part of my eyelid. And look at the pigmentation, it's dry, it's not wet at all, and you can see it's already giving me that wet juicy look which I absolutely love. And when the light hits, it becomes even more beautiful. Stunning shade. Now I am taking Beam and I'm applying it right here on the inner part of my eyelid. It will just give me that like awake look on the eye, and I'm blending it out with the same copper shade so that it does not look harsh, because you can see it's looking a little bit harsh now, but don't worry, it will all look perfect. With my NYX eyeliner, I am just drawing a wing here. At first I decided to do a smoky eyeliner because smoky eyeliner is very much in fashion nowadays, but then I just decided, okay, let's just do liquid eyeliner. But you can totally do smoky eyeliner. The other day whenever I created this look, I did a smoky eyeliner and it looked even more beautiful. And now I'm going to finish my base, and for that I'm taking my NYX Hydra Touch Primer and I'm just priming my entire face and neck. I did my skincare about half an hour to 40 minutes ago, and I have dry skin, so I needed that extra boost of hydration. This primer is perfect for that. It will keep my base hydrated throughout the day. And for my color corrector, I'm using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange and Yellow color correctors, and I have mixed them in 3:1 quantity, and I'm just color correcting my under eye area, my mouth area, as well as wherever I have pigmentation, acne spots and dark spots. It will just help to neutralize all those darkness underneath, and the warmth of my finger will help to kind of melt it into my skin. For my foundation, I'm going with my Super Stay foundation from Maybelline in the shade 310, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp sponge. What a beautiful foundation it is. I think I have raved about it enough on my channel, but still every time I use it, it just surprises me. The coverage is insane, it lasts all day long, and every time I use it, my base just looks flawless. Today I'm doing a little bit of cream contour, and for that I'm taking my Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium, and I'm just cream contouring the parameters of my face. And every time I use it, I just forget how much pigmented this product is, and I end up taking a lot of product. But don't worry, this is the beauty of this product. No matter how much you apply, it blends out beautifully. You can see, just tap 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 and it is all blended. And the brush that I'm using is from Zoeva. If you want your contour to last longer, I highly recommend you doing a cream contour. That way your contour will last all day, all night. Now for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, around my mouth, on the center of my forehead, as well as down the bridge of my nose. And now I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. I like to do my concealer after my cream contour. That way if I mess up with the contour, I can take that concealer and I can just fix it right away. To set my under eye area, I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte powder and I'm just setting my under eye area using this setting brush which I got from TJ Maxx. To set my entire makeup, I'm using the same Flower Beauty powder, pressed powder. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup, and for that, first I'm tightening my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any kajal pencil or gel eyeliner that you have in your collection. Now I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line using the shade called, I believe it's Roxanne. No, it's Jax. And now I am taking Roxanne and I'm just smudging out the border of the previous shade. And I'm highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone using my Rodeo Drive highlighter from OFRA. And now I'm just curling my natural lashes with this eyelash curler. This is my Sassy Cheek eyelash curler, and I applied a lot of mascara on my top and bottom lashes, but you can see I'm covering the camera with my mirror. I am so sorry for that. For my falsies, I am using these lashes from Ioni. If you are not into falsies, you can totally skip it, and in that case just apply a lot of mascara. And here is the final look. I truly love how the look came together. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and for that first I'm taking my Flower Beauty Heatwave bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up my face to have that nice warmth and sun-kissed glow to the face. You guys probably know I love a good bronzy look. It just makes my complexion so much more enhanced, and it also gives me a little bit of structure as well. For my blush, I'm going with my Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, as well as on my nose. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, I have been using this particular blush, and till today I love it. The undertone, the formula, everything about this blush is love. I am taking the same Rodeo Drive highlighter from OFRA Cosmetics, and with this setting brush from Real Techniques, I'm just hitting the high points of my face, like the tops of my cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as at the center of my forehead. And look at the glow it just gives. It does not emphasize any texture, and you can tone it down to make it look a little more subtle if you want to. I'm setting my entire makeup using my NYX Hydrating setting spray. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Mahogany. Again, the formula is beautiful, the shade is beautiful. If you wear a lot of nude lipstick, you need this particular lip liner in your collection. It goes well with almost all of my nude lipsticks. For my lips, I am going with the infamous Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, and I recently repurchased this particular lipstick, and they have changed the formula, and now it is even more creamier and it is not drying matte at all. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I'm wearing a red and white saree, but you cannot see it here on camera. And I truly love how the entire look came together. I think this look is perfect for the red and white saree that I'm wearing. It's perfect for yellow sarees, orange sarees, or any red pink sarees as well. If you recreate this look, then feel free to tag me on Instagram, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.